Definition nung Stop the War and Violence
I
tagline.
know, it is like... I was kind of hoping for my dad to come during the coronation.
Kung pala rin kang manalo, anong gagawin mo sa $1 million?
I will first try to appeal for my family in Gaza because that for me is really sentimental. Oh my god.
Are they still in Gaza?
They're so friends. And it really takes a lot of effort and money and documentation just the process of getting them out of there. So if this is the way for me to save them, or any families that needs an inspiration, because I don't see why not.
Hindi ka nakakilabot. So yung anong literal definition nung Stop the War and Violence
I
tagline.
know, it is like literally that.
The fight for Palestine, free Palestine.
Hopefully, the land will be free.
So you're bringing Grab here in Manila?
I was kind of hoping for my dad to come during the coronation, but it's just so hard right now. Like, you have no idea what it took me to really decide on
Dito pinapaiyak ako.
Naiyak ka din ako.
Punta ako dito para suporta. Hindi kita pinaiyak.
Sorry naman.
like, ayoko to.
Naiyak din ako.
Ayun lang. For me kasi I've always wanted brothers and sisters, and it was such a blessing to know I have already 3 brothers and 1 sister. It's just so hard. I can't send them gifts. They can't send me letters. But I'm just happy that social media exists because every day, almost every day, we just talk on a random daily basis. Thank you for the advanced technology and for the Lord for letting me meet my mother and my
Your
dad.
family in Palestine.
But hopefully on the finals night wala tayong belo para naman mailabas natin yung baon natin.
Ay, may baon pa ba yun?
Oo.
Ganado ka nga daw eh. Ganados, di ba?
Ganado and grand ganado.
Oo, granado talaga. Ayan, ikaw, may tanong ka? Zini, ano masasabi mo? May pressure ba na parang ikaw parang yung bumabandera sa 5 Pilipinas dito sa MGI All-Stars?
Honestly, I'm happy na 5 kami dito. Kasi para din siyang meron akong home away from home in a form of a person. Especially my roommate. When it comes to ako yung nagbabandera, I don't think so kasi may laban naman yung iba. May iba-iba kasi yung strategy namin at iba-iba yung strength and weaknesses namin. So I think may laban kaming lahat. Pero kung ako yung pinipili ng mga tao na magbandera talaga, I don't think that's happening because this is a team effort. It takes a village for me.
So welcome event, Gazini. Ikaw ang naging top choice ng mandaming pages eh. So what can you say about that?
Hindi ko pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in for me. Honestly, I'm just so grateful and overwhelmed. Right now, I can't message everyone on IG because it's still restricted up till tomorrow. Hopefully, it will maluwagan yung restrictions ko because of some qualifications that they were reviewing so far. So,
Anong nangyari sa katawan mo? Bakit gano'n kaganda?
okay.
Di ba? Kasi nung
Yung shape, ano yun?
Kasi nung bench, hindi ko ganyan siya.
Binabad ko sa gym. Gym and diet
Kala ko
and
binabad mo
prayers.
sa